right? So the problem is the date format is not matching. What is the date we are passing? The date is not matching with here this date, system date. Understood? So let me show you. See now, nothing is coming due to let me the date is right. AI dot invoice ID. Now we can try. See now, invoice date is there, right? Where you can see here. See invoice date. The invoice date format is this, but if you go and submitting the program, at that time invoice date is different. So that is the reason output is not coming. So what we need to do, either you need to change the concurrent program value set, or else you need to change into in report level format, date format. You need to change into to care of this date. Need to change it to this here to care to date format. Here you need to change that. Okay. Let me now that day did I save that XML? Maybe I saved or not. Let me see now. Where we submit it to through payable responsibility. Okay. View request. Find a request. Oh, maybe it's gone. Let me submit new request again. Okay. Copy. God, check. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's here it is power gone. I connected to my hotspot. Okay. Let me finish it. Only this report to process today. Then we can freshly start on tomorrow new report. Okay. Right. So what we need to do now, next steps is you need to register as a XML publisher. Okay. So go to payables responsibility. Did we need to save that XML? If you save, no need to generate again. Okay, anyhow, I will teach again. Give me a second. Go to request, then go to submit a new request, single request. Now you can go with copy. This is the our report. Okay, so I'm going to submitting this report again. Click on no, then click on find. Now open your MS Word. Right. See, completed, right? View output. So now you got the XML output. Now save this XML output as .xml. Okay. What is our report name? Basically, this XML is only for designing purpose. Okay, no other use. Only for designing purpose. Okay, right. Now go to here. Here I'm going to giving .xml. So where we are going to saving? We are going to saving into. Let me. Where is Banu? Right. So you can save it here. Now, now how many files are coming? And .rdf file you have, .xml file you have. Next, what you need to do? Now you need to develop your RTF. RTF, here you can see add-ins button. If this add-ins button is not there, then XML BI publisher reports are not installed. Okay, here we can see. Now go to data, load XML data. Load XML data where it is already you save .xml here. This is you can open. Now data loaded successfully. Next, design your layout. Go to insert all fields. Okay, this is all fields are coming now. So it's inserted. Now here it is supplier count and PO amount. These two are there, right? If you want, you can put it in the top, or else you can put it in the bottom also. Understood? Now I cut it those two things and coming down. Here also we can put it. Now this is a supplier count. Total number of suppliers or else total number of suppliers. If you want, you can put it in single box, or if you want, this is pure total amount. total amount. You can put like this. Okay. Now, if you want to bold it and bold it these two, this is also you can bold it. Here you can give if you want to give some space. Right. This is now here header is there, right? Now in the header you can double click it. Here you can give PO AP PO analysis report analysis XML report. The title you can give it here. You can bold it. Okay. You can send to center. The center you can put it like this. You can do it. Okay. Right. You can double click it outside. This is now in this layout. You are nothing it doing based on your data. Just simply you are going to insert all. It is coming as a horizontal single line output XML output. It is. If it is a different style of layouts, I will teach you next reports level in different models and different styles and how to do this all we can also see. Okay, simply try to execute first only this. The first one you can see here F PO number starting PO number F is there. F is means for loop is started for each G underscore PO number group is going to start at first. Every report, even RTF layout, you need to start the for loop and you need to end that same for loop also after the columns. Here, okay, E, last one E. Here you can see E means end for each, end for each. It should be each and every tag is in open and closed brackets only. Got it? So now I am going to saving my RTF. So sorry. Now what is my RTF should be going to your report name with the date. Okay. Report name with the date they are going to that is the naming convention normally. See report name it's underscore suppose US country and then language en and then followed by some date 24th of November and 2017. So why we need to follow this same format? Your report followed by the country followed by the language and date. Why you need this? You can simply give it anything, right? Why you can give it anything, but some same report is going to they're running in multiple countries. Understood. Suppose PO report is there, that PO PDF output report is there. So same PO format they are going to running on all the countries. Suppose they are running the business US, UK, Japan, Canada. Okay, these all the countries. So at the time, what will happen? The layout is different, report is same. The layout is designed for US, English language. Okay, UK, English. Japan, Japanese language. Okay, Chinese, again China, Chinese language. And Spanish, Spanish is again different, Spanish language. So when you are looking your template itself, you can able to understand this template RTF template belongs to which country, which language when it is developed. Understood? That is the reason we are going to giving this. Okay, keep on mind. Now I am going to saving my what is the type of this? RTF, rich text format. Uh, okay, RTF. The format should be RTF. Okay, Save it. Yeah, it is saved now. Once now, what are the things are ready? Your layout is ready. This same layout, you can do it in RDF also. But nowadays, everyone is asking the XML and BI publisher reports. So, no need to do that level. Okay. So, now you can go into your RTF also ready. Now, if you want to check your RTF is correct or not, you can see the output also here, sample output. Okay, give me a second, we'll show you. Now click on add-ins, go to preview, and you can see XML here. Yes, see now, this is your report output. Okay, but this report output is coming, but where is your that one, the main one? Let me show you that also. This is not coming, right? This is a header. So in Excel output level, you can't see the header. Okay, you can put it in down, not in the header level. If you go PDF, you can easily can see that PDF output level. So they will ask what is the output type they want. Suppose if you go with the PDF output, and you can see clearly that. Oh, here also not showing. One second, something is happening. Let me. Okay, we can put it in down also, no problem. Right. So we can save it here and we can see the sample output here. How it is coming sample output. Normal it will show. Let me see. Is there anything problem? See now. APPO analysis report, one line space and then followed by the output. Okay. Right. So now next you can go and register your right. So one second. Yeah. Right. Now go into XML publisher responsibility. XML publisher responsibility. First, say simple three steps only. You need to remember only three steps. Three steps means what? First, we develop the RDF, then we register the concurrent program, then we can register the XML publisher. That's enough. Okay. So now we're able to hear me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. So now go to XML publisher responsibility. Switch to XML publisher administrator. Click on home. Click on data definition. So already I shared the document. In the document, everything is there. Okay, follow the same steps. Now create data definition. Now you can give it data definition name. I'm going to giving my concurrent program name as a data definition name also same. Now this code should be concurrent program short name. Understood? Now, in interview point of view, they will ask how it is going to mapping to the your concurrent program is mapping to the data definition. Concurrent program short name is nothing but a code here. Okay, application again payable. Okay. Now, suppose after that, if you don't want this data definition, did you going to delete this? No, you can't delete. Only you can end date it. Right. My data definition now. Yeah, I entered all the details. I mean, just data definition name, code, and application, some description, and then click on apply. Yeah. See now, data definition of XXKFC APPO analysis XML report has been successfully created. Now you can create your template here. Click on templates. Now in templates, create a template. So now here also give it your template name and then give it your data definition name. Now we are attaching your data definition to the template. Okay, right. Now here also code should be concurrent program short name. Code should be concurrent program short name. Application is payables. Now you can see here type is asking now. Type means your layout type. The layout type, is it going to e-text or PDF or Microsoft Excel or different types are available. Our type is RTF, rich text format. Now default output format they are asking. You can give it. If client is asking Excel, you can give it Excel. If client is asking PDF, you can give it PDF. Okay. Once you fill this all the details, then you can go down. You can see browse your file. Your file is RTF file. Where it is your RTF file is there? This is. Now open your RTF file. Now language is English. Okay, English. Now territory is United States. United States. Then now you can enter this all the details. Now we can apply. Click on apply. Is it clear now this all? Yes, Banu and Abhishek. Once you all the details enter, then you can click on apply.
Yeah.
Yes. Now your XML, you can able to see your template here in down. See template name, language, territory. If you want to download that already uploaded one, you can download and modify and again re-upload it. Suppose see now I thought it I want to modify again. You can download it here. Click on download, automatically it is downloaded, and do the changes here, all the changes, and again you can save it, again you can upload it to here. Okay. Now next it is suppose I told in multiple templates will come, right? You can add it, add file, add file, add file. The template is same, but layouts are going to adding multiple layouts according to the country wise they are running. Their country specific layout it will pick. Okay, that we will see, no problem. Yeah, now switch to payable. Payable. Then go to view. Submit a request, single request. Now our concurrent program name. Now see, in previous you are unable to see any layout here. Understood? See now. Now are you able to see your layout? This is your layout. If this layout is not coming to here means your XML publisher registration process somewhere you did wrong. Okay? Right. Now you can submit. No. Click on find. Okay. Now we can see your XML publisher output. See this. It will open like this. Understood? This is your report. See here, PO amount is not showing clearly. This is that Excel here layout we designed, right? You can give it good space here, then automatically it will show. Now it will, if you upload this and it will show. Okay, but this is not the issue. Okay, if they save it and they are going to format it again. Okay, fine. This is now look that dates, change the dates. Let me, you can also do it, but now this is the total XML publisher complete report process. So now, yes, Abhishek, can you tell me now what are the steps we done? First, what we done? Prepared the SQL.
Uh, Sorry. Yeah.
What are the steps we done? Prepared the SQL query according to,
Yeah.
okay, as per client requirement, right? And then developed the RDF dot RDF. Okay. Then moved into server reports reports US folder. Okay. Reports US folder. And then
Executable.
registered the concurrent program.
Yeah, executable and
Hmm.
concurrent program.
Just you can say it registered concurrent program.
Sure.
Registered the concurrent program. And then submitted that concurrent program.
So every time you make a report, you have to uh, attach it to a request group, right?
Yeah.
Every time, any report, you have to attach it, right? There's
Any
so many
report.
reports we are making.
Yes, you can. So many reports means
Like every day I'm seeing in my office, like 10 reports are being made. All of them are going into
correct.
request.
Correct, Abhishek. See, suppose if you are not attached to the request group, how did you submit those programs?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Submitted the concurrent program and then got the XML output. Understood? Output. And then save XML output. Output in your local machine. Okay, once you saved XML output, what you open MS Word document and load your XML data. Okay, XML data and build your layout. Okay, save your layout as .rdf rtf and go to XML publisher responsibility. Responsibility, and then create data definition and attach the data definition to template. Data definition to template. Okay, and then switch to payable responsibility and submit the concurrent program. Can you tell me now if you have any doubts on this? And see the report output. Hello. Yes, Banu, are you clear these steps? So these are the steps we done. These are the steps we done for the XML publisher report. Is it possible to both of you take it? Already I shared this that report format I shared already reports. Okay, so can you try it and you can see how it is going to. Already report registration steps I'm going to mention clearly each and everything here. If you have any doubts, please look this. Here you can see clearly it is mentioned everything here. Okay, so and second thing is the requirement I will give you. Now both of you try this second query here, invoice payment status report. Try this report. Okay, then we can see on tomorrow's session this report with that parameters also. Why I'm not going to teach means you both of you at least to try. That is a recurring issue in client place. Whenever we are going to developing the reports, it should become the error. Definitely it will come all the places at any time. Whenever you are using the dates, it should become. That is the reason I keep it for you, both of you. Try different, use it to date, to care functions, and convert that same date format, and both of you try. Okay, start on this report. Try to at least to build the query and do all the these steps. What are the steps it is there? Fine. If you have any questions, please ask me now. Hello, both are fine.
Yeah, nothing now.